Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to remove and replace front turn signal light bulbs. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, replacing the turn signal bulbs is quite easy on this vehicle. Now first I will show you the passenger side. It's very easy accessible. I will turn the flash on my phone. Okay, this will be your turn signal light bulb. Now, if you have a really big hand, you might have to remove this airbox cover, but I'm pretty sure you should be able just to squeeze your hand inside here and turn this socket counterclockwise, right? Okay, I just turned it, you see. Towards myself, and then just pull out the bulb, and that's it. To remove the bulb, pull it straight out. Okay, trying to work with one hand, and that's it. When installing the bulb back in, just insert it in and install the socket back into the opening, into the headlight assembly, and turn it clockwise. The driver's side will be pretty much the same, even easier. You see, it's right here. Same thing, you just want to turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Here it is. When installing it back in, same thing, you pop it in and turn it clockwise, and done. Literally takes like 15 seconds to replace the bulbs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.